Want to share your Instagram collections with friends? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Go to the Reels section and scroll until you find a post you want to save. Now, tap on the three dots icon on the post. From the menu, tap on Save. You can either add it to an existing collection or create a new one. If you're creating a new collection, enter a name of your choice. Next, tap on Add People to Collection. Your friends list will appear. Select the friends you want to share it with. After selecting, tap Done at the top right, then tap Save. Your shared collection is now created. To check it, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines at the top right and select Saved. Open your newly created collection and you'll see your saved post there. Now your friends can view and even add posts to this collection. And that's it. That's how you can easily share Instagram collections with friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.